it up for today. So, one word warning, caution, two words actually. So, this is dangerous what we see at the moment. So, you can see we had a red pin bar, we had an engulfing bar, then we've got a green sort of hanging man type scenario here. And at the moment, we're just hovering with no real direction. So, there are two things on the go here. And if I look left, I can't really see the reason why we're not at a level, we are above a level. We're not testing that level. So what's happening here, I'm really unsure. When I'm unsure, it's a case of staying out of the markets. So I just want to drill down through, cycle down through a couple of the levels. So the first one is 8 hour. Now you can see for the last 2, 3, 4, 8 hour bars, we've basically fit inside one bar. And I'm going to just put a level on the high of that bar. And this one is fairly almost on the low of the bar, but it is the level that we need to pay attention to. Okay. Now, if we just drill down to 3 hour, you'll see that kind of stuff is not what you want to trade. Okay. You want to trade trends. So you want to see strong moves up or down, doesn't matter, but you want to see strong moves. You don't want to see sideways price action like this. Okay. So the trend is still up, granted. For some reason, this area of 3060 is holding up price. Okay. And what we're looking for is a proper test of 3023, which we've had a few tests here, but it's not looking very clear. I think that's about it. The next thing that is transpiring right now, you can see all these tails inside this these two levels I've drawn, and if I add that in, that gives me pretty much 50% of the range. Okay, in other words, we're kind of in the middle of the range. This is not an area you want to be trading. Okay, if you're a range trader, you want to be trading short off the top and long off the bottom. If you're a trend trader like me, you stay far away from this. Go find something else to trade, or just close your charts and move away because you're going to get burnt. Okay, this is not where my strengths lie. Definitely not trying to pick tops and bottoms and get in on ranges, especially not with the S&P anyway. Okay, so we do have a bit of an inverse head and shoulders forming. You can see here there is a shoulder, there is a head, there is another shoulder. But again, not interested in that until we break through this 3060 area. If we break through 3060, we come back to test 3060. That would give me the opportunity to be long. Would I be looking at shorts? Not for some time. So, I'm going to be looking I'm going to need to see 8 hour levels break. So I'm going to need to see a lower low on the 8 hour before I even start looking at shorts. Okay. Even the 3 hour, these lows here don't interest me. This low here interests me here. And this is all the way down at 2997. So we need to be below 3,000 to retest that area before I even start thinking that there may be a short on offer. Okay. So for me at the moment, this is dangerous, and basically I am sitting very still and keeping my money in my pocket because I'm not going to throw money at this. Your biggest risk here is you look at this kind of price action, you look to the left, you see, oh, is it a level? You look at this price action, you're long, I have a tight stop, it'll come back and take your stop out. Then it'll hit the bottom and it'll start moving up, and then you'll take your long, it'll come up here, it'll come down and you'll get out for break even. Then it'll break sort of just dip below this line, and then you'll get in for your short, you think you've got it, and then it'll come back and take your stop. Okay, so that's the problem with these flipping things, and that's all that's happening. Now, the big money is going up and down, indecisive of where to go, but what they need to do, as you can see, as they step up and below these levels, is go and find all the stops that are there for the trades. Okay, because they're looking to make money, and you're trading against an algorithm that pretty much has got all the time in the day to sit and watch this stuff. And they'll be watching it on sort of a minute, 2-minute type charts and trading it accordingly. Anyway, that's not my style. So, unfortunately for me, this is stay far away until we get a clear break up above 3060 or a clear break below 3000 and a retest of the level for any shorts. So at this stage, that's pretty much my view on this at the moment. No, it doesn't help you get any trades today, But if it does break above 30.60, there needs a retest of that area, and that would get you a fairly decent long trade. I think it'll be pretty aggressive past that. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.